Sayl is made out of a single piece for the back. It's a soft material, a soft elastomer, and it's held in place with 100 pounds of pressure on a simple structure that holds it up in 2 points. This is, according to Herman Miller, the most complex part that they have ever built in their 80-year history or so. And it is extremely complex because there's such a large amount of performance elements here, and it's also frameless, so it doesn't have a hard edge. If you look at most aluminum, plastic chairs, they will have some kind of frame to hold a suspension material. In this case, it's the first frameless back of a chair. And the framelessness allowed us to actually reduce the amount of materials used, the carbon footprint of the chair, but also its cost, obviously. So we were able to place unique sort of performance characteristics in the back of this chair, centimeter by centimeter. Every little area is actually reacting differently to the body. And this is not something you can do with mesh, which tends to react exactly the same way wherever you push it, or foam for that matter. So this is really allows us what I call 3D intelligence, the ability for the chair to adapt to the body in completely unique ways. Those sides are very soft. The middle area is much more supportive of your lumbar and your back. Most chairs in an office tend to be sort of overwhelming. They're large, there's like big shoulders, whereas this one is actually quite discreet and quite transparent in the environment. And everything was done so it would be really simple, from the way the mechanism of the arms functions without a button to all of the controls. Everything was designed for simplicity, removing materials. So the way to achieve a minimal amount of materials and this frameless back was something that from the very get-go I knew there was an opportunity there. But the inspiration for the structure really came from where I live, which is San Francisco and the Golden Gate Bridge. Having a single tower that holds a material in place under pressure is very much like a suspension bridge, and was very much right in front of me as I get up in the morning. And of course it turns and it goes away.